This is a cross-country skiing trail, so we're going to enjoy ourselves today. Mercy.
Which way is, well, which way do the shocks work?
Huh?
I don't know which way to turn this.
Hello. I'm already tired.
We went the easy way.
Oh.
Gotten easier since we got out of the rock. So it's gotten easier since we got out of the rock. I'm breathing hard. I gotta go right here, man. The San Juan Mountains, I guess, in the distance. We're going down a gravel road back to the main road. We went down the trail. I went up the trail. It was all uphill, so it was rough. We was breathing hard, but it's beautiful out here. We've seen a bunch of chipmunks. I'd love to get a picture of one. We've seen a bunch of chipmunks on the trail, but I couldn't pull the trigger on the camera fast enough to get any.